먹어도 맛있을 것 같은데.
양념치킨?
Just a few simple words conveying care. Daily meals were once a wish of the past. Today, is there still someone concerned if you're well fed? Hard times are gone, but let's remember every grain of rice earned through hard work. Clothes and food once a few. Eat well, live earnestly. No matter how time changes, remember the ancient saying, every grain is hard earned. With clothes and food, one should be content. Warm greetings pass around the dining table. The unchanged care in people's hearts. Past hardships, today's prosperity. We should be grateful for every grain of rice in our hands. You ask if I've eaten my fill, I smile and nod. The simple happiness will never decay. Cherish each day before us. With clothes and food, one should be content. Contentment brings happiness. Eat well, live earnestly. No matter how time changes, remember
다 먹는 거랑
the ancient
100% 따진다면 몇 %까지 비슷해?
with clothes and food, one should be
그냥 이걸로 네이크 만들어도 되겠네.
그 정도야?